Well, you've heard this. The kitchen is the heart of the home. And this time of year, well, that holds very true with family meals, holiday baking, and much more.
Yeah, so keeping fire safety top of mind, it's a no-brainer. And I think we can all use a bit of a refresher. This morning, we're sharing tips to keep your family and your home safe, and we have a very familiar face to do that. Firefighter Michael McLeieer from E.S.C.A.P.E Fire Safety joins us again with important information as we head into the holiday season. Michael, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me in.
Absolutely. So Thanksgiving, the most dangerous day for house fires.
It is. We're at home, we have family, we have friends. The peak time for those fires is noon until 3 p.m. when we have those meals and we have the dinner. We also get distracted. We have somebody come to the front door. We take that last-minute telephone call. So if you do have to leave the stove, make sure you turn the burner off, or better yet, take an oven mitt, take a kitchen utensil with you to remind you, hey, I'm still cooking on the stove. That's the big thing to remember. And stay home when you're cooking or baking. We always talk about stand by your pan when cooking or frying or boiling rather, because we want to make sure that we prevent that fire from happening. If a fire does occur, put the oven mitt on, put a lid on it. Turn the oven off, turn the burner off on the stove, keep that oven door closed, keep the microwave door closed. Call the fire department once you safely get everybody outside.
Michael, thanks for that. Appreciate that, because now in my head, all I have is stand
I
by
know.
your pan. You too,
I
right?
love it.
I mean,
No, I love
as
that.
As soon as you said it, I'm singing it over in my head. But are you telling me that that is number one? Is it really the leading cause of home fires?
Unattended cooking.
That is it.
That is it.
Number one.
It's so easy to do, though, right? When you have a house full of people and you have many things on the stove going at once, and you got to get dinner on the table at a time, it's easy to do.
It is. And
right?
when we are using the burners, if you have young children around, use the back burners and turn that handle inward so that their young, curious hands aren't going to reach up and pull that boiling pot of water on them, cause a scald burn. Better yet, keep kids and pets at least 3 feet away from anything that's hot. That's the oven, that's the stove, even the hot foods, keep them 3 feet away.
Great advice. All right, let's talk of turkey.
Yes.
Let's talk. Do you need to say let's talk turkey?
Let's talk turkey, as they say this time of year. A lot of people like to deep fry them, and that's just.
Oh my!
I mean, it tastes delicious.
It does. It does. So let's talk some safer choices.
Yeah.
I would recommend that people purchase a turkey fryer that has the electronic shutoff. So it's an electric turkey fryer as opposed to the gas-fired. The propane, the gas-fired turkey fryers do not have a temperature sensor, so the oil can overheat. It can catch fire. That's the first thing. So, and make sure it's tested by a national laboratory. UL is a common one, FM Global, some of the ones that are out there. Second thing is, do not rush and put a frozen turkey in any hot oil, and don't overfill the vessel with oil, because it's going to boil over. It's going to cause a fire. And never use that turkey fryer, especially the gas-fired ones, indoors, or as many times we have snow this time of year or rainy weather. Don't use it even in the garage. It needs to be away from buildings, not on wooden decks, on a stable platform so it doesn't tip over, cause that oil to spill, could burn someone, and again, it could cause a fire, certainly. And going back to the kitchen, if a pan fire occurs, the worst thing we can do is actually remove that pan from the stove, leave it where it is, put the cover on it, because if we carry that burning vessel through the home, we could get burned. It definitely spreads that fire. In my career as a firefighter, I've seen that happen.
Wow.
Yeah, leave it where it's at.
Leave it where it's at.
Don't spread the fire.
And call 911, even if you're not sure if the fire's out. We would rather arrive and make sure that it's nothing, rather than you wake up in the middle of the night and you find you've got a fire on the wall or something of that nature.
Oh,
well, the best thing that can happen is that you can see this happening before an alarm goes off. But if it's a good time to make sure that they are where. The worst thing that can happen is for that not to go off.
Absolutely. So we talk about this every time I'm in. We want to make sure families have working smoke alarms. We want to make sure exits are not blocked, so that if families need to get out and stay out quickly and safely, once they hear the alarm, get out, call 911 once safely outside. Local fire departments or Keep Michigan Safe campaign can connect those resources with the viewers.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you don't have a working smoke alarm, Michael's the man to help you fix that.
Listen, when I was growing up, the only acceptable fire around Thanksgiving was the dumpster fire where all my Chicago Bears stuff was going in. So
hey,
let's
that
try
might not happen this year.
I might yes. No fire maybe this year. So let's keep things safe. If you want more information, you want to learn more about this, just get a refresher, escapeinc.org. It's important stuff. You don't want the other side of this, right?
Yeah.
So let's take care of it beforehand. Get those safety tips from E.S.C.A.P.E. Inc. at escapeinc.org. We'll be right back.